Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to start a live stream on a Telegram group. Before you begin, make sure you are the group owner or an admin, as only admins are allowed to start live stream in Telegram groups. To get started, open the Telegram app on your device and open the group where you want to go live. Tap on the group name on the top, and from here you will see an option called as live stream. Just click on live stream and you can just start a live stream immediately, or you can even schedule a live stream for later. You can also stream with another app. Just click on another app, and here you will see a server URL and stream key. And to stream video with another app, enter the server URL and stream key in your streaming app. Your live stream will start instantly, and all group member will receive a notification to join or listen or watch the stream. During the live stream, you can manage participant, invite speaker, mute or unmute microphones, and control the stream directly from the live stream panel. And that's it. We just learned how to start a live stream on Telegram group using the built-in live stream feature available to group admins. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.